But at least 90's open, the road's been clear. Looks like we're gonna have ourselves a good day. 94 was closed. I don't know if it's still closed, but it doesn't matter anymore. That is a beautiful sunrise. Thank you, South Dakota. Time to get back to work. Let's get after it. Especially up here in the Dakotas, not a whole heck of a lot to look at. But we're going to be stopping here in about 7 miles in Kimball, South Dakota. We're going to grab fuel. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but all that grass out there in the field and all that, that's all like icicles. So it looks like this part of the storm rolled up through here up to North Dakota. I don't know if you can see the shine in the cornfields. That's all ice. Everything has got, like here it was just ice. Just an icy thing. Trucks are eating 28 degrees. So just thought I'd pop in real quick. Not sure if we're going to make it back today or not. Got to look at my hours after we get done fueling. We'll just see. But we should, looking at this, we'll make it to Minnesota today. So, yahoo. And to my knowledge, 94 is still closed. Go figure. All right, everyone. I'll get back to you when we get done, when we go fueling. Museum for you, Robert. Right here in Kimball, South Dakota. Looks like they got a bunch of stuff in there. Yikes, that trailer looks like it burnt. Woo, caught fire on that one. Welcome to Kimball. be attached to that truck. Oh, that's brutal. Wow. I wonder if that isn't from that storm that rolled through here. Yeah, we'll just go out here. We'll have ourselves a neighbor out here on flatbedder. Not as much snow at the islands because not everybody likes to be this far out. There we go. And you know that sound. I'll get back to you. Got a little bit of ice there. Been rolling across somewhere. I got a bunch of stuff here at this Love's here in Kimball. That looks to be really, really slick right there. Wow. How about that one? Yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm not gonna walk through there. I was thinking about walking around the front side. Nope, 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 nope. Let's get inside here, grab a little Java, grab my receipt. Let's see where we're gonna get today. Got something on the front of that one. Probably got himself a deer. Wow. There's some equipment. I think they got most of the pieces probably inside. I would think inside those buildings. Yep. Well, let's get back on the road. This is in Kimball, South Dakota. Alright, everyone. I'll get back to you. I don't think we're going to make it all the way back up there today. I got exactly the right amount of time, and you just know you're going to lose time because I can't do 80 miles an hour across South Dakota here, so we're not even going to try. We'll just see how it goes. I'll get back to you. Back to work, slave drivers. Well, we're sitting here at the Blue Beacon in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. It's been a great ride today, not a lot to look at. We've got our marching orders for next week. Excuse me. We got a whole lot of loveliness I'm not a big fan of, but it is what it is. We've got Harvey, Illinois, which is essentially Chicago. Then we have Detroit, Michigan. Then we have Columbus, Ohio. Let's see who's next. Then we got Indianapolis, Indiana. Then we're back to Bolingbrook, Illinois. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. So we'll deliver in Harvey, which is a suburb of Chicago. And then we go over to Detroit. And then we'll go down to Columbus. And then we'll go back up to Indianapolis. Then we'll shoot over to Bolingbrook. Then get that back up to Minnesota. Kick that all off. And then grab our next load. All right, everyone. I'll get back to you. Unbelievable. Not working. Something's not sealing right up there. Definitely got to ride it up. All right, guys, let's go to Minnesota. Let's get her done. Let's go to Minnesota, shut her down, and we'll get in there tomorrow. Well, we're parked, guys. We're done for the day. Sitting at a rest area south of the Twin Cities. We'll get up in the morning, head to the yard, drop this wagon, go home. We had the end. My wife informed me. Where to begin? We bought an older house, and you ever have those cars that just nickel and dime you to death? Except it's like the nickels are now like 5,000 and the dimes are more like 10,000. Well, she just informed me that we have an electric stove, and the element that runs the oven portion of it is glowing like blacksmith iron glowing. So she figured by just turning the oven off that it would stop, even though she was using a stove top. And she's not happy because I had to have her. She couldn't figure out how to shut the stove off down in the basement on the new control panel that we have, breaker box down in the basement. So the other alternative is to just unplug the dang thing. So my tiny little wife had to Herculean pull the stove out and unplug it from the wall. So tomorrow when I get home, can y'all kind of figure out what is on my shopping list of things to do? And I'm debating. This is how I did it with the furnace, because we've already had the furnace replaced, water softener replaced, water heater replaced. We had a Blu-ray system put in it. We had basically everything is plus we had a 4-stage AC unit put in. All of that was like around 15K to do all. No, 17,000. Take that back. To have the AC, furnace, water softener, water heater, all new lines, all of that replaced, because they were all at the same age. And I believe the kitchen appliances are about the same. Our fridge has been fine, but the stove was fine until it wasn't. Our dishwasher's already taken a crap, which we don't really use that much anyway. But so I don't know if we're gonna shop and do like a 3-piece, because it's an electric stove with like that convection, I don't know, it's like a microwave or whatever you want to call it above it, range type thing. The hood, it's not connected, it's separate. So do the stove, dishwasher, even though we don't use one that much, which means I gotta hire somebody to come out and install all that stuff. We got plenty of miles, right guys? We'll just keep it rolling down the highway. And do the refrigerator. So that way, I'm kind of weird that way. If you get all the appliances, get them all together, so that way they're all the same age. They're all, you know, well, when did we get that one piece, or when did we get that piece? Or I'd rather just have them all replaced at the same time. But did a quick Google and could be looking at anywhere between $3,000 to $9,000 to have all that done, depending on brand, size, style, blah blah blah. Yeah. And then on top of all of that, then we still have contractors out at our house possibly doing some roof work and stuff. So yay, to dig into my personal life a little bit. So when it rains, it pours, right? Yep. So, oh well, happy Easter, right? This will be the end of the week. We're just going to get up and go home tomorrow and deal with what we got to deal with. We got dinner cooking. We're in Northfield, Minnesota, at a rest area south of the Twin Cities. So the grinder is out. We got some different marching orders next week. Got a couple of Chicagos in there. All the loveliness that I just don't like these, but they are what they are. Hopefully they'll all be done by Tuesday and we'll move on to the next.
We've got Detroit in there. We've got Chicago, a couple of Chicagos in there. We got Columbus, Ohio in there. Yeah, we've got like one delivery and like 5 pickups or something like that. How much of it I'll be able to show? Probably not much of any of it, just because, well, I don't want to use my phone. Excuse me. We're good. I'm rambling. Let's roll it up. Happy Easter, everybody. I love you guys. And as always, God bless. Lord willing. We'll see y'all next week. Maybe with a new stove update.